Hey everybody, it's I Want to Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at running virtual machines in Linux using QEMU, libvirt, and virt-manager. To get started, launch a terminal and run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to install any available software updates. Then we use apt install to install the QEMU virtualization platform, followed by another apt install to install the libvirt packages. And finally, we'll install the virt-manager user interface. Launch virt-manager from the Applications menu. When prompted, enter your password. Click the Create VM icon in the top left of the screen. Select how you'll be installing the operating system. I'll be using local install media in this example. Browse to and select the installation media. If the operating system isn't automatically detected, set it manually. Set the memory and CPU allocation, then set the disk size. Enter a name for the VM, then click Finish. If you're prompted to start the network, click Yes. Once the VM is initialized, it should start automatically. If you're prompted to enable shortcuts, click Allow. Continue installing the guest OS as normal. You now have a simple user interface to create virtual machines on your Linux device.